Today on JD Cars, the F30 is finally getting some more aero. I feel like I've kind of neglected the F30 for the past couple months. All we've really done is, messed around with the boot mode tune, which is a ton of fun, don't get me wrong, but time to change up the look a little bit. So ever since I got this M3 style conversion from Keys Motorsports, I've had side skirts and a front lip for the car. Now they were just plain black plastic, and I wasn't really trying to paint them or get too involved, so I'll show you what I did instead. By the way, huge shout out to my family for the awesome Christmas gifts, but here are our side skirt extensions. As you can see, I've wrapped them in carbon fiber. I believe this is the Vivid Gloss Epoxy Black Carbon Fiber, and this is the most realistic carbon fiber wrap that I could find on the market. I'm super stoked with how they came out. Now, just to clarify, this is not a red accent. I might have to add one on the side after we install it. We'll see. But this is actually 3M adhesive all the way down the length of the side skirt extension. That's how we're going to be affixing it to the car. Hopefully we won't need to use any screws, but if we do, we've got some self-tapping screws that we can add in for extra support. I'm hoping that this 3M adhesive is sufficient. We might add another strip right here. Not entirely sure yet. We're going to scope out the bottom of the car. Without any further ado, let's pull this thing in here and get it up on the lift. Alright, so I haven't even really tried test fitting these things yet, but let's bring the passenger side one over, see how it fits. Also, the question here is going to be, can we get these on while it's on the lift, or am I going to have to jack it up? We'll find out. Damn, I think my jack pad's like half an inch too far, so gonna have to adjust that. Alright, so I moved our jack pads in towards the center of the car, so they're like pretty much all the way that way on the jack point. And I think I can get this in here now. Oh yeah, baby! That's what I'm talking about right there. Alright, so install of these side skirt extensions looks pretty straightforward. We have this little clip right here that slides into this notch right here where my finger is. It's gonna hook in right there, and it looks like we're gonna do a screw in the front to hold it nice and taut. And of course we have the 3M adhesive. This whole plate, this whole face here does make contact, so I think I'm gonna bring this to the workbench, add a little bit more 3M, just because that's a pretty thin strip. Do a good cleaning of the underside with some isopropyl. Clean the side skirt, of course, before we apply that adhesive. Slap this bad boy on here. Woo, look at that. Holy cow, that looks sick. That looks sick as fuck. Oh, yeah, baby. Finally got the side skirt extensions on here. Damn, does that look good. I'll show you before. The driver's side, no side skirt extension. Passenger side installed, baby. Subtle, but I think it's gonna look really good, especially once we add our little personal touch to them. So I did notice that on the back of this it says application temp is 50 to 100 degrees, and it's like, I don't know, 40 degrees out right now. So I did hit it with the heat gun a little bit for approximately 1 to baby verse, and that seemed to be sufficient. So I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna do another roll on this side skirt, go repeat the same process over on the driver's side, and then I think it's time to add a little bit of pinstriping. Ooh-wee! Just finished up our first accent stripe. Nice clean end right here. Used a little bit of heat to persuade it around this corner, but other than that, just ran it all the way down. Took my time with it, but damn, guys, I love the way this Vivid Carbon wrap catches the light here. Love the way the red accents it, and I think that red's gonna tie everything together with our little window sticker here, taillights, and rear accent right there. I'm super stoked with how this is looking. I'm gonna do the driver's side here, and yeah. Well folks, the driver's side did not go as easily as the passenger side for whatever reason. Had to try like 3 times on the passenger side. My biggest word of advice there would probably be just take your time, go really slowly. I mean, I did take my time on the passenger side and I nailed it first shot. No real major air bubbles or anything. But I think my biggest mistake on the driver's side was I was like over obsessing about getting it perfectly level, and I kept pulling it up, adjusting it, putting it back down, and I think that created air bubbles, mostly in the middle here where I corrected a lot. This is a new strip. I pulled it off and restarted, and yeah, I'm quite happy with the outcome. Again, I'm super stoked with how this vivid epoxy gloss vinyl looks in the light. Insane, guys. Absolutely love it. Love it. Woo! My camera battery here is about to die. My light just died, and it's time to head inside for some dinner. But anyways, I'm super stoked with the outcome of wrapping these side skirts and installing them on the car. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time on JD Cars.